A Tourbillon from Aliexpress goes by the name of Kopek. Some manufacturers may use different names. And you have the buckle and what looks like a normal strap. So when the watch was delivered to me, it didn't come adjusted to my size. So I had to do some adjustment. The final adjusted watch would look like this. There will be some excess strap dangling here, depending on the size of your wrist. But the strap would be attached to the buckle on both ends. So when I got the watch, it came like this. Buckle on one side and the strap with holes on the other side. If you were to try to insert the strap into the buckle, it wouldn't go through. That is because there is a pin in the middle, so it wouldn't go through. The pin has to be exposed, and this thing here, this top here, has to be opened. To open it, just pull it up. Pull this up. And the pin is exposed. So pull it up. And the pin is exposed. And the strap will go through a small metal loop here. And the pin will be below. The pin will be here. Right here. So find the hole that you wish to put the pin through. And push the pin into the hole. So you can see that the pin has now gone through the hole of the strap, and just close the top. There won't be a clicking sound, but the top, once you have closed it, it would be fixed and it will not detach itself. So the next thing to put it through your hand would be to enlarge the buckle, which again is to press the two little buttons here. And becomes like that. So once it's through your hand, there are two hinges. Hinge number 1 will be here, and hinge number 2 will be here. 1, 2. So bend number 1 hinge inwards, and click, and bend number 2 hinge inwards, and click. So the end of the strap will go through the 2 loops like a normal strap watch. Again, two hinges, one hinge here, second hinge here. Turn the hinge inwards, click. Turn this hinge inwards, click. Loop the strap, and wind the watch every 24 hours. Just a few words about the watch. I think it looks quite fancy. The blue with the stainless steel. the timing is accurate, and the gripes I have with this is that the winding is a bit strange. So when I wind the watch, it seems to move back. It seems to roll back a little. So as I wind the watch, it's not a very smooth winding. And the other gripe I have with this watch is the thick leather, but once you work it in, it should get more flexible through time. So the best part of the watch, of a mechanical watch, would be the winding, and I was just not too pleased about the winding, because once you let go, it seems to move back a little, seems to roll back a little. But on the whole, I think it is worth the price, and it's a pretty neat watch.